Are you looking for a simple way to grow your money online daily? Let me show you how people are using this particular platform, 55 BTC, to earn daily with just $10. Even they will give you your daily bonus and lucky draw money. So this platform is financial platform where users deposit small amounts of money. Then you follow their signals and you earn daily income. See, everything in this platform is very automated and beginners friendly. So there's no logo in this website. So to get to this website, all you have to do is to click on the link on my description box area or comment section. It will bring you here. All you have to do is to input your username, your phone number, your password, and re-enter your password. Then you click sign up. Once you click the sign up, it will bring you here. So guys, there are 3 ways to earn on this platform. The first one is through games, activity, and trade here. So the trade, let's first of all go for activity. The activity is just claiming your daily check-ins. Just contact your admins for your daily check-ins. Just go through it, click on it, go through it, and read the terms and conditions for it. And also there are other bonuses that you can claim here. There are other bonuses you can claim here. So make sure you go through it. If it is what you like to join, contact your admin to claim your bonuses. And the second one is true trade here. Since this one is candle, long and short, binary option, or if you can do it, it's fine. But currently this website doesn't have signal for this because we are going to use company signals to play our games and make money. But since this particular trade doesn't have company signals, you can trade it off head or off hand, anyone you choose. Okay, so the third one is game, which the one that I use to make my own money. You understand? All you have to do is to click on the game to bring it here. Then you click on this red and green here. Click on it. Click on the 3 dash by the left hand side. Click on 1 minute. Make sure it's on 1 minute before trading. So we are going to use company signals. You understand? Let's go to the company signals now. Okay, the company is on break now. See their signals, the wins. You understand? The signals and the wins. You understand? So it's very simple. All you have to do is just, if it is red, they drop, you come back to this thing, to the gaming platform, and click. It's right there, they play. Just click red, put the amount you want to input, but make sure you use your chart. See the chart on the screen. You deposit $10. Make sure you start from 0.03. If you lost on that one, you double the amount you use on playing it. Then if you lost again, double the amount again and play. See the chart and go through it. You understand? Let's assume that I want to play this game now. I want to play green, and I'll put $1. I'll click confirm. Let's wait for. Okay, I've bet successfully. Let's wait for them to, for the result to drop. Let's wait for the result to drop. But before the result will drop, make sure when you are placing your bets, make sure it's here that you are clicking, because if you click here and the result did not end on that specific one you click, it will be a loss. That's why if you want to click any color, make sure it is here. You understand? Here or here. Okay, they are dropping the result already. Oh, we lost. It is as I lost now, I'll double the amount that I used. So if I want to play again, I'll click any of this number and double the amount, which is $2. You understand? Which is $2, and play again, so that if I win, I will recover my first loss. You understand? So that's basically how to play on this site. You get? So for you to earn on this site, you need to deposit. So to deposit, you have to click on this deposit. So it will bring you here. Then you click on this USDTR, TRC20. It will bring you here. So you copy your address and now make payment. If you don't know how to make payment, just click here. You will follow instruction and make payment using their wallet address. Then once you are done, click this particular link here. It will be on the description box. Click it and contact your admin for your deposit bonus and your daily check-in bonus. You understand? So once they have input it, you start earning on this platform. You go back and start playing the game. It is very simple. So to withdraw, you have to click on this withdrawal button. Click on this USDT TRC20. Go and copy your wallet, input it here, input the amount you want to input. You understand? Input the amount you want to input. You can withdraw only 5 times a day, and also minimum withdrawal is $10. Then you input your password here and click withdraw, and your money will drop instant. It's simple as ABCD. see my balance. I have 228 USDT, which is a good, you know, that's what I've been doing to earn my money. I want it to reach 300 before I can be able to withdraw $200 and continue with the rest. You get? So disclaimer, this is not a financial advice. Our results may vary. You understand? So do well to input what you can afford to lose in case if anything happens, and also do your own research before investing. If you like what you saw, then you go ahead and make your deposit and start earning your own money, because this is what I do to earn my own money online. I take the risk, do my research, before bringing it here. You understand? So see you in my next video.